Hello everyone, this is Group Synergy and our project topic is Pharmaceutical Data Optimization using Quantum Machine Learning. As here you can see that there are two types of computers we can compare is first one is classical computer which is based on the digital signals and Boolean logic, whereas a quantum computer is based on the laws of quantum mechanics and Hilbert space logic. The phenomena involved here are superposition, entanglement, and interference. The algorithm that here we are going to consider is quantum classification that works on the basis of Q-kernel. A risk assessment based on WHO guidelines is presented here. Connected are Anvil server with Jupyter book, which has this function called make prediction. The four parameters here are severity, probability, detectability, and activity. The ICHQ-9 presents the historical data analysis for the stakeholders and analyze them according the given criteria. Severity is how significant the identified risk in terms of impact. Probability is how often is frequency of occurrence, whereas detectability is includes methods to detect deviations or their associated parameters. The least harmful drug or least severe drug, we can enter the parameters as 2, 3, 5, and activity in terms of percentage, let's say 78. Now categorize. The medicine that is least severe is Cipro. If you want to find for what it is used for, the medical conditioning we can find is Cipro is used for treating bronchitis. The working of this classification is based on the several Hadamard gates, Pauli gates, and CNOT gates. They will do their operations, and the most probable prediction will be constructively interfere, and the least well is destructively interfered. Here we can see the statistics. The average price of the medicine in India is almost 270. The medicines above average price count, there are total 2 lakh 32,000. So similarly we can enter the price tag, let's say 5 rupees. The medicines and the company details that sell the medicine on the given price are shown on the screen. Now here is the sales. We can magnify them, and here are the labels and the companies. Cadillac, one denotes Unison, and so on. The sales here are pretty easy to understand. Lupin sells the highest aceclofenac drug. The research we had done is we have applied the QAOA algorithm, which is quantum approximation algorithm. It performs max cut operation to convert NP hard into NP complete. It tells what are the cofactors that are on the side of risk and what are not on the side of risk. Risk minimization chart of QAOA tells us that how the selected drug sample in a group will affect the health of the population. Uh, the stability of the chart lies between 2.4 and 2.6, which is very less severe, as we have seen previously in the severity rate that 2 to 3 denotes the least severe and good for health drug design. So what we conclude from this is, from our project we can do HTS, that is hit to lead screening, and lead optimization that filters out the drugs that are more toxic. Effective use of business intelligence, clinical trials, and drug safety that will guide in drug discovery.